Gemini, welcome to Universe. And yes, I talk slow, I shuffle slow, but I do hope you tap your energy with mine. Like, share, subscribe, represent your tribe in the comment section down below. This is gonna be your July 2021 reading, and let's begin. Angel spirits and guides, please allow me to see clearly. Messages for Gemini. Geminis, angel spirits and guides, Geminis, angel spirits and guides. What do we have for Geminis? Geminis. Forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. That's your first message, Geminis. You also have deception. Someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship. You might be dealing with a Scorpio because they also got the same card. And reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. I feel like what this is trying to tell me, Gemini, is that someone in the connection was able to give you disappointments in the form of betrayal. And I feel like there's an urge for you to compromise with each other because I feel like what you need to do is to actually move forward and move forward in the sense that you actually forgive each other, compromise with each other, and learn from these circumstances that you had in the past. And I say in the past because you also have here past life relationship. So this might be a past person for some of you. It doesn't have to be, but you were able to connect to them at one point of your existence. It might be in this lifetime or the next, and you have here, look at this, heart to heart conversations and trust. Can you see this, Gemini's heart to heart conversation and trust? I feel like you really have to talk about this particular situation because actually, this is the only thing that will rebuild your trust. Look at that. That will rebuild your trust. And I feel like there's a divine energy here, an angel. Look, you are being assisted by angels. You are being assisted by angels in this journey of reconciliation and of forgiving and learning. Okay, let's see. Let's see what do you have here. Oh, I'm gonna do the same thing as what I did with the Scorpio reading. I will clarify the deception. Okay, let's go and clarify the deception card. Angel spirits and guides, please allow me to see clearly. Why is the deception card here for Gemini? Why is the deception card here for Gemini? Please allow me to see clearly. Why is the deception card here for Gemini? Angel spirits and guides, tell me more. Tell me more. Angel spirits and guides, tell me more. Tell me more. Something flew out of the deck. The Fountain card. And you also have the Hierophant. You could be dealing with a Taurus. and the Page of Wands. Oh, so this is what I got. This deception has something to do with a commitment. It could, but doesn't have to be. It could be a person from their past because this is the card of commitment. I feel like with this Page of Wands here, someone went out to explore the possibilities outside of the commitment or of the relationship, and that was hidden beneath the surface. That someone here is having this attraction to another person, attraction to another thing, attraction to another situation. And I feel like it has tested the strength of this commitment. That is what I am feeling. Let's see what's the bottom of the deck. Yeah, 10 of Coins is actually in reverse. I feel like this relationship was tested because someone really went something, I mean, really did something that have shaken the stability. I mean, what was supposed to be stable in the relationship was shaken because of this attraction that they have for another possibility, and that possibility might be a person. So that was the cause of the deception, guys. Geminis. Um, let's see. Let's see what messages can we get here. Angel spirits and guides. You might be dealing with a Libra. Look at that. Someone broke your heart, Gemini, and I am getting that sense that it has really tested the commitment. Messages for Geminis. Messages for Geminis. Angel spirits and guides. Messages for Geminis. Angel spirits and guides. Angel spirits and guides. Angel spirits and guides. You have intuition. This could be a Pisces for some of you. I feel like you know it deep within your heart. You knew it within your gut that all along this was happening, or this might be your person too. They knew it in their gut that this was happening, that attention was placed somewhere else out of the commitment. Geminis. Geminis, please. Geminis. Oh, look at that. Rejoice in celebration, in which I really feel like this storyline presented here at the topmost part of this spread is legit, because rejoice in celebration is also the card for reconciliation. You will be able to forgive this person, or they will be able to forgive you. I'm sorry for the banging of the doors, Geminis. And you will be able to rebuild your trust as long as you will be able to talk and sort things out, because you also have here heart-to-heart conversations. But yet, it's there. I told you, I cannot make this up. This is the bottom of the deck. Passion ignited. Passion ignited. Seriously, Geminis. It's like after you will be able to reconcile with each other, the passion will be back. The chemistry will be back. Good memories will be back. And it will actually not delete, but you will be able to move on and move forward when it comes to this relationship. Messages for Oh my gosh, we have here the same storyline. Throat chakra. Open up your throat chakra and speak what you have to say. Heart to heart conversations is here in throat chakra. You really need to have conversation with this person, Gemini. And crown chakra. Crown chakra. You know it intuitively. It's like you have been receiving these downloads all along. You knew it. You knew it, or this person knew it, that you were deceiving them. If this is, of course, you who is deceiving someone, but if not, if your person was the one who deceived you, you knew it intuitively. Okay, that's what I feel like. Let's draw from this deck. Angel spirits and guides. Messages for Gemini. Look at the bottom of the deck. A moment's regret, nostalgia, idealizing the past, fearing you've made a mistake. Exactly. Someone here made a mistake, and it's loud and clear. Gemini, it's loud and clear. Angel spirits and guides. Gemini, please. Gemini, Gemini, Gemini. Belong to your own dream. Create your own life. And you have here the bottom of the deck is wake up your moment. Wake up your moment. I feel like oh my gosh, I got this weird message that says, you have to wake up. It's like you've been falsing a scenario, or you've been delusional. You've felt that, it's more than that. I mean, if a person has been deceiving you, Gemini, you have to wake up. And you have to wake up from that slumber or that dream that, this is okay, this is the message that I am getting. Reality is very different from dreams. Your reality is different from your dreams. You have to wake up and live in the reality and not in the dream state. And look at this. Find the lesson, discover the purpose in a situation. Trust that you are learning. Trust that you are learning. The same story. The same story. Okay, let's try your advice. Advice for Gemini, please. Advice for Gemini. Advice for Gemini. Angel spirits and guides. Advice for Gemini. Advice for Gemini. Your advice is 8 of coins. 8 of coins speaks on hard work. So whatever this is for you, Gemini, you must put your heart and your focus and your determination into mastering your craft. Or if this is a love situation, you have to work hard for something that you want to earn. And if you want to earn the trust of a person, you have to work hard for it. If you want to earn the love you once had, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry about that, you once had for a past relationship or a past partner, then go ahead and do that. And I hope this resonates, or this gave you clarity on your situation. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Take care, because I care. Light and love.